In this video, I will show you how you can join two or more than two videos in Cyberlink Powerdirector. First, you have to choose more than two files and drag to the timeline. Now you have to shift these videos in the timeline to the starting and ensure that there is no gap in between your videos. If you want to increase gap, then you have to slide your videos ahead in timeline. Now you have to select produce. From here you can select the quality of video you want, full HD or HD or 4K. Then you have to press the start button. Your videos will be joined together.